Wings 2026 started in Hyderabad, and one of the big highlight of Wings show is the Made in India aircraft SJ100. Now this aircraft is soon going to be a reality. The first aircraft SJ100, the commercial passenger aircraft, has made the debut at Wings 2026, but this is going to be developed, manufactured here in India by HAL, Hindustan Aeronautics Limited, and this is going to be the aircraft that will help HAL to enter into the civil sector as well. As of now, HAL has got a very strong presence in the defense sector, but going forward, now this is going to be the aircraft that will help HAL to have a strong presence in the civil sector as well. Now, when I say SJ100 is going to be one big highlight, let me tell you that this is the aircraft which is jointly being developed by Russia. Russian company UAC is providing the engine, and Maharatna CPSE HAL is going to develop. Now, the timeline that HAL is looking at is that in next 2.5 to 3 years, they will provide first such aircraft. Now let me show you that how it is going to look like from inside. And as I enter, let me show you that the first look of SJ100. You see such a beautiful aircraft with a sitting capacity of 75 to 100 passengers. Now this is an aircraft which has got a sitting capacity of 75 to 100 passengers with a flying range of 3,000 to 3,500 kilometers. And also, if you see in terms of a time, so this can fly to 5 to 6 hours, and this is going to be an ideal aircraft for non-metro cities that HAL is looking at. If you see a combination of 3 and 2, so 3 seats and the 2 seats, so basically 5 in a row. And for the luggage section, the luggage can be placed over here very easily, very conveniently, and this is the aircraft which can be very ideal for travel like Mumbai, Goa, Mumbai, Bhopal, or even Delhi, Bhopal. So these sort of distance can be easily covered with this aircraft, and that will be one of the fit aircraft for Udan scheme as well. Now this aircraft is going to be developed and manufactured in India very soon. Going forward, HAL has already signed the agreement with the Russian firm, and this aircraft is also going to be one of the answer to the Western lobby or the companies of the West world, that how India can now withstand on their own legs in the aviation space as well.